How's you going, boys? Mike here. Welcome back to Grampie's workshop for a special little video today. Today, Good Friday, special day, especially in the Christian world, where we pause, give thanks for Jesus Christ who died to save us all. And what we need now, more than anything, is saving with what's going on in the world with the coronavirus. So please, wherever you are, whatever your faith, whatever your creed, whatever your nationality, take some time. Just pause, reflect, meditate, pray for better times ahead. And happy Easter, everyone.
He takes away all our worries. He takes away all our tears. He takes all our heartaches, wipes away our fears. He gives us the gift of faith.